Hello guys! Good morning! Kamusta po kayong lahat dyan? So, ito po ang aking morning routine guys. Gagawa po ako ng honey lemon tea. Yes, yan ang iniinom ko before breakfast. At ito po ang aking pure honey. Yeah! Nabili ko to sa farmer's market. At yung puti na yan guys, ang tawag po dyan is honey foam. Yeah! That is the tiny air bubbles, yung pumupunta sa ibabaw, that are trapped in the honey during processing and packaging. Huwag po kayong mag-alala guys, honey foam is perfectly edible. So, 1 tablespoon of honey lang po, and then mag-slice tayo ng lemon. Half lang po yung gagamitin natin guys. Wow, Paskong Pasko na dito guys. Ramdam nyo ba? Bare months na diba? Sa atin pag September nakaano na tayo. Naka-decorate na ng Christmas tree, ganon. 71 days, Pasko na! Yahoo! So, half of lemon lang po ang gagamitin natin guys. The other half will be for tomorrow. Yes. And add hot water. Yes. So, ito po guys ang aking panangga. Dahil flu season ngayon, virus season, virus everywhere. Yes. And gamot din to guys sa ubo. Pag makati na yung lalamunan ko or sinisipon yung mga bata, ito yung pinapainom ko. Yes. Home remedies lang po tayo guys hanggat kaya. Para walang mga side effects. So ito po yung aking warm lemon tea for breakfast. Before breakfast actually. So thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Keep safe and healthy everyone.